In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily repost a story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and then first off we need to open up someone's story in that case. And then down below here we can easily find that little paper plane icon, and basically all we have to do in order to repost a story is just tap on it, just like so. Tap at that icon and then select whom you would like to repost that story to. In here we can select some users from suggested. Also, we can search for some specific user using that search bar. And also from here we can share it to someone outside the Instagram, so we can share that story via messages, via Telegram, via another social media platform or any other messenger, or we can just hit add copy to copy the URL to that particular story. So then we can manually open up any messenger, let's say Telegram, and then we can just enter the URL we have just copied to that field, so actually just paste it to that field and then hit add send to share that particular story outside the Instagram platform. However, not every story has this paper plane icon at the bottom right corner. It depends on privacy settings of the particular user who has shared that story. In this case, I recommend you just to take a screenshot of this story if it is if that story is not a video but a photo. So we can search for a little bit that one, and let's imagine we cannot share it via that paper plane icon. All we have to do is just take a screenshot. To do that, I'm gonna tap at the same time volume up and the side button, in this case, just like that. That's how we can easily take a screenshot, and then by dragging that handles we can crop our screenshot. Then to save it, tap at done and then save to photos. After that we can share that photo on our Instagram profile. To do that, I'm gonna open up Instagram again, and then let me switch to my another Instagram profile, and then I'm just gonna create a story in that way. Just open up a photo, and then also we can mention the user whose story we are going to share by tapping at that sticker, and that's we are looking for mention. After that we can enter someone's Instagram username, and then if we continue we can easily share that story with the mentioning of that user. And basically, guys, that's how we can easily repost any story on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.